guys, the barber doll. I told y'all I would be back, right? So here I am back with this poppin' wig. Like, yes, honey. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. All day. This is easily one of my favorites already. So if you are interested in learning how to do this Kylie Kardashian style blunt bob, just keep watching. So today I will be reviewing Bobbi Boss Yara. I'm so excited about this wig because I have been looking for a blunt cut wig for forever and I couldn't find one, and I found this one I think on Sam's Beauty, and so yeah, I had to get it. So let's get to it. My hair is obviously freshly washed, that's why there's water running everywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and throw these prison braids in real quick so that we can get it nice and flat, and so that the wig will lay flat, because that's very important with straight wigs. You have to be a little more conscious of how you braid your hair or mold your hair. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. Like, I love this. This is giving me Kylie Kardashian, even though I hate them. But this is giving me vibes all day. Super sleek. Like, I want to go put on a pencil skirt or something. I don't have anywhere to go, but I'm just saying this is the vibe that it gives me. But for now, I'm just going to go cut some hair. Okay, so also for this one, I did not pluck the tweeze the part at all. I really didn't do anything to this wig because I liked it a lot when I pulled it out the bag. So the only thing that I did do is I ran my flat iron through it just to take some of the shine off. And then I went in and put some concealer in my part. That's all I'm doing. I slightly slicked my edges down, but that's it. I didn't even attach the combs to my head because I like the way it looks. Just like this, it feels good, it feels secure. Doesn't feel like I'm gonna lose it. I don't plan on doing anything too crazy where I could lose it today. So this is how we're rocking, okay? I love this wig. It comes in like some crazy colors too. I think I'm gonna get the green one next time because why not? 2018. We're stepping outside of that comfort box. We want people to look at us like we're crazy because we are. And they're just scared. So whatever. That's on you. But anyways, yeah. I love it. I love it. Yes. All day, baby. All day. Anyways, if you have any questions or concerns, as always, leave them in the comment section below. I love you guys, and I'll be back soon. I think I'm going to alternate between wig tutorials and natural hair tutorials and everything in between, just to keep it versatile. So anyways, if you want this look, I will put all the information down in the description box. So just click the link so you can purchase the wig. It's super easy. And I mean, when I get home, I'm snatching it right back off tonight, and it's cool. Like, I don't have to wake up and comb hair every day. You know, that's the goal. So anyways, thank you for watching again, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that this inspired you to want to try something different, something new. All 2018, we're stepping outside of that comfort box. I will definitely see you guys later. If you have anything specifically that you want to see, just leave it in the comment box. Yeah. That's all I got for you guys. So I love you, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Again, as always, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And share it with a friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We're popping off all 2018, baby. Bye.
The moonlight. I've been smoking, I've been drinking, I've been rocking with it all night. Yeah. What a feeling, what a vibe to be